We'll guide you through how to use Find My iPhone with friends or family. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, so you can go and use Find My with family or friends to go and share your location with people, or you can go and view theirs. We're going to guide you through everything you need to know from setting it up to then using it. So to go and get started with this, you want to go and head to the settings on your iPhone like so. In here, you then want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for location services. To get in there though, you need to go and find the option privacy and security. Then you'll go and find location services. What you need to do is make sure this is switched on first of all, otherwise you won't be able to go and share your location. And then you want to go and press share my location. Make sure you switch on share my location. And what you can do here is go and choose the phone you want to go and use as your location if you've got multiple. I'm going to go and press use this iPhone as my location so we can go and share from this. So you've now gone and set that initially up there. Now you can go and start sharing your location in different ways. You can either do it in the Messages app or you can do it in the Find My app. We're going to guide you through both. So first of all, we're going to start with the Find My app. So what you can do is you can go and come to the second page and Find My, or you can drag down and go and search for it like so, and then we can go and open it up. Now, what you need to do is swipe up. I'll just swipe up to go and hide my location, but you want to go to the bottom left and go and press people. It says, find your friends and family on a map. If somebody's already sharing their location with you, you'll go and see them listed here. And to go and start adding yours, you can press the plus in the top right or press start sharing location at the bottom, like so. Now we'll go and get a list of contacts. You need to go and choose who you want to go and start sharing a location with. So I'm going to go and type it in now. And then you can go and choose who you want to do it with. So I'm going to tap on this contact here. Then you can go and add multiple if you want to. Press the plus to the right to go and view your contact list and press the plus in the top right. Now what you can see here is you can go and choose the amount of time. So you can go and do for 1 hour until end of day or indefinitely. So this is just a temporary thing, do for 1 hour until the end of the day. But if it's like maybe a parent or a sibling, you may want to do indefinitely and then you don't have to go and start it again. So I could go and press indefinitely. And then it'll go and start doing it. As you can see, you started showing your location and there it goes and says they can go and see your location there. And if they choose to go and share it back, it'll then go and switch to that there saying home, as that's where they currently are. As I said, you can also go and do this in the Messages app. So in order to go and do this, you need to go and open up Messages, and then you can go and open up the conversation or chat you want to go and do this in. So for example, I could go and create a new chat, or you can open up an existing one. I'll just go and type in the person I'm doing this with. Now, once you've started the conversation or you've opened it up, you can go to the bottom left and go and press the plus. Then what you need to do is go and scroll down and go and find the option for location just there and tap on it. Then it'll go and open up your location here. We'll need to go and give permission so we can go and switch on, allow while using the app. It'll then go and show it here. And what you can do is go and press share in the bottom right like so. And then you can go and choose the amount of time. Once again, indefinitely until in the day or for 1 hour. So depending upon who it is and what it's for, you can then go and choose. I'll go and do indefinitely in this case. Then it'll go and show your location here. And if you're ready to do it, you can go and press send like so. And then it'll go and do it. And what you can also do is go and request their location by, if we press the plus over to the left, then you can go and scroll down again. And we're going to go and find location. And then what you can do is go and press request over to the left, and you could go and request it if you wanted to. I'm not going to, but that's how it can be done. So now when it comes to going and using it, to have the most options, you can go and open up the Find My app like so. And so as you can see here, you're going to go and see people who've shared their location. In this case, that's myself, they're sharing it back. And there's also GBro who hasn't shared their location back. It just says can see your location. So I could go and tap on that person there. And then what you can do is you can go and change notifications. So I could press go to settings and I could then go and switch these on like so. And I can then return here and then I could press add and I could go and say notify GBro when I arrive, when I leave. You've got some different options there which are useful. And what you can also do here is go and request their location if you want them to go and share it back, just so it's fair or just so it's convenient for you as well. Or you could go and stop it at the bottom if you want to. So there we go. Now what you can also do is go and see the options if they go and share their location with us. I could tap on it here. As you can see, they're very similar. You can go and see the different options. And you can go and change some of these settings which may go and impact things. So that's going to be up to you there. But that's it. That is how you can go and use Find My iPhone with family or friends. It's really convenient. They have to go and see where they are. Perhaps if it's like a more permanent thing, so you know if they're at work or at home and you want to go and meet them, or if you're just trying to go and find them at a busy event or something like that. So it's a really convenient feature which Apple have implemented. So hopefully now you've gone and set it up and you're using it. And of course, you can go and repeat that for multiple different people. So if you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides like this on the channel and loads more to come in the future as well.